Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated catalytic converter cleaners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is AUTOPROFI Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Finding the right catalytic converter cleaner with the right chemical compound is very important. So, you should go with the option that thousands of buyers already trust. This catalytic converter cleaner is our first choice for the best catalytic converter on the market right now. This is a safe and very effective option for gasoline-powered engines as well as diesel vehicles. And even though the solution only specifies oxygen sensor and catalytic converter, it can clean the entire exhaust system. The best part about this catalytic converter cleaner is that it automatically starts working as soon as the converter reaches optimal temperature levels. Also, this solution was created in Germany and backed by a lot of professionals. You will also find TÜV certification on this cleaner for added reliability and safety. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXiCAT Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This is also one of the well-known brands on the market for car accessories and cleaning solutions. Apart from the catalytic converter cleaner, OXiCAT also has many different tools and accessory sets that you would want in your car. The second option on our list of the best catalytic converter cleaners is this catalytic converter cleaner. This is a single bottle of 16 ounces catalytic converter cleaning solution which is perfect for larger applications, or simultaneous cleaning of 2 or more vehicles. This is a rather strong solution for a standard catalytic converter cleaner. So, the results are definitely much better, but you need to be much more careful while using this solution. Once you use this catalytic converter cleaner with your engine, it is promising optimal engine performance, reduction of harmful gases, and also a surety to pass the emission test. This solution also works with the oxygen sensor to maintain the air intake quality. Since this is a strong solution, you won't need to use it as frequently as other choices. Number 3. Our third best pick is OXiCAT Catalytic Converter Cleaner. It is one of the few brands that first comes to mind when we are discussing catalytic converter cleaners and other similar products. You will find almost all types of cleaning solutions made by this brand. It makes a variety of options for the best cleaning solutions that you would need for automobile maintenance. Therefore, we are putting this catalytic converter cleaner in the third position on our list. This is a great option for multiple applications since the total available quantity with this set is 16.9 ounces. And, you get 2 different bottles of about 8.45 ounces each for extended shelf life. Just like our previous pick from OXiCAT, this catalytic converter cleaner is also capable of cleaning out the entire exhaust system and effectively dissolving the carbon buildup. And if you choose to use the solution on a regular basis, it can also prevent future buildup of toxic materials on the catalytic converter and the oxygen sensor. This is one of the highly versatile options on our list, offering compatibility with gasoline, diesel, and hybrid fuel vehicles. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ClearLover Catalytic Converter Cleaner. If the shelf life of the set is an important factor for you, you should take a look at this set from ClearLover. It will be the best option for bikes or other small fuel tanks for year-round maintenance. This catalytic converter cleaner is a great solution on our list, especially if you don't need a catalytic converter cleaner very frequently. This is a set of 3 bottles, each offering about 4 ounces of fluid. So, you can have a very long shelf life and use the fluid only when it is necessary. You can also keep adding a bottle to the set every time you use it for reliable storage. There are a lot of benefits that come with this converter cleaner. First of all, this is a multi-purpose cleaning fluid that cleans auto parts, fuel systems, and also works as an additive for gasoline as well as diesel engines. You will also get a refund guarantee from ClearLover if you don't notice any changes in the performance of the engine after using multiple bottles. Apart from the exhaust system, this cleaner also cleans oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and other crucial parts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is MotorPower Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This is also a brand that will offer you a reliable choice for a catalytic converter cleaner. However, this brand only focuses on offering high-quality cleaning solutions, unlike most other car accessory brands. It is yet another trusted option that we have shortlisted for you on our list of the best catalytic converter cleaners. This solution is based on new technology and offers considerably better and more effective results in comparison. However, you will find this option to be a bit more expensive than others. This is a set of 2 units where one is an 8.45-ounce bottle of catalytic converter cleaner and other is a DPF foam cleaner. The combination of the 2 fluids available in this set can effectively clean the catalytic converter of your car while creating a protective surface to avoid future material buildup. There is no disassembly required to use this catalytic converter cleaner. All you will have to do is pour the solution in the fuel tank, and you are good to go. This catalytic converter cleaner set can also be effective against P0420 and AMP P0430 problem codes. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.